Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be talking about all of the benefits of eucalyptus oil. Oh, I have to do the thing that vloggers seem to do, where they go, eucalyptus oil is a plant native to Australia, and it has numerous benefits for hair, skin, everything. My name is Fortuna, and I'm the founder of It Really Works Vitamins. We're a hair care supplement brand from the UK, and we've been featured in Forbes as the best nutrition innovation 2019 and 2018. We've also been featured in Shortlist Magazine as the best hair regrowth product for men, but we are actually suitable for women as long as you're not pregnant or breastfeeding. We have a giveaway. The deadline is the 1st of August. If you'd like to win a 28-day supply of It Really Works vitamins, all you've got to do is subscribe to our YouTube channel and just comment below why you'd like to win. Comment on any of our videos. Can I just say we have brand new packaging? I'm gonna actually put it in with the magic of editing. Our brand new packaging is here. We are suitable for both men and women. If you'd like to win your very own 28-day supply of It Really Works vitamins, all you've got to do is subscribe and comment. Our supplements are vegan friendly, halal friendly, kosher friendly, and the best thing about us is if you don't love your results and if you don't have healthier, thicker hair within 90 days, then we refund you with no questions asked. I think that's why so many people love us, because we're just a brand that are here for you. No fuddly dudleys, no messing around, a stand and a deliver. And get 15% off your first order with coupon code YouTube15. We ship worldwide. Only 20% of our customers are actually based in the UK. Most people are in the US, so thank you everyone. Yeehaw. What did they say in America? Maybe I should have a cowboy hat and go. Eucalyptus oil comes from the oval-shaped leaves of the eucalyptus tree, which is native to Australia. The leaves are dried, crushed, and distilled to release this essential oil. The main ingredient is cineol, which is also called eucalyptol, which is known for its anti-inflammatory, analgesic, and aromatic properties. Also, don't forget to pick up your free ebook, Everything You Need to Know About Blocking DHT, from itreallyworksvitamins.com. The book includes a recipe for a homemade scalp exfoliant and the best foods and drinks that help to block DHT and regrow your hair. The link is in the description below. Australian Aboriginals use eucalyptus as a natural remedy against wounds, infections, aches and colds, as well as clearing your sinuses, boosting mental clarity, relieving sore joints and aches and pains. Eucalyptus oil has some fantastic properties for hair. Primarily, it can fight dandruff. Studies have shown that eucalyptus oil has antimicrobial, antifungal, and anti-herbicidal properties. If your scalp has low levels of ceramide, then it can be vulnerable to dandruff. Eucalyptus oil is rich in bioactive compounds which can increase the ceramide content of your scalp and thus assist in dandruff control. This oil can also be used for reducing the scalp inflammation. You will need 2 to 3 drops of eucalyptus oil and 2 to 3 drops of coconut oil. Take note that, like all essential oils, it's recommended to dilute the eucalyptus oil with a carrier oil before applying it directly to your scalp. In our case, it's being diluted with coconut oil. Mix the eucalyptus and coconut oil and apply this mixture on your scalp using gentle circular motions. Once applied, leave it for 30 to 45 minutes to work. This process should be repeated at least 2 to 3 times per week. Antifungal components in eucalyptus oil help to kill the yeast-like fungus called Malassezia, which is the most common cause of dandruff. Adding eucalyptus oil to your hair care routine could help your hair to see an overall boost in hair growth, healthy shine, your dandruff will disappear. It can also treat hair lice and stimulate hair follicles. As you know, in loads of my other previous videos, I always like to share scientific or clinical trials that really back up and support what I'm saying in every single video. But there aren't many clinical trials supporting the use of eucalyptus oil to boost hair growth. This oil has been used for centuries, particularly in Australia as a homeopathic remedy, but there haven't been any clinical trials really supporting eucalyptus oil as an oil that boosts hair growth or gets rid of dandruff. So I just want to put that out there so you know that. Eucalyptus can bring down inflammation on the scalp, creating the perfect environment for normal, healthy hair growth. A 2017 Australian study has also found that eucalyptus oil can kill head lice. Remember that if you're considering adding eucalyptus oil to your hair care routine, it's not safe added purely, so you have to add it to a carrier oil. For example, coconut oil or olive oil or argan oil. Eucalyptus oil can also get rid of a fungal infection called pedra. Pedra is a fungal infection that results on nodules forming on the hair shafts. According to a 2012 study, eucalyptus oil was also effective against the fungus Trichosporin ovides, which is behind the infection. Guys, if you're enjoying this video so far, please do check out some of our previous videos and also hit subscribe, because when you do, it sends a little signal to the YouTube algorithm that this is a useful video and a great channel for people to check out, and shows our videos to lots more people. So I'd be so grateful. Please and thanking you. So don't forget, we are doing a giveaway. Ta-da! If you'd like to win a 28-day supply of It Really Works vitamins, all you've got to do is subscribe and comment on any of our videos. Let us know why you'd like to win, and it's as simple as that. We'll announce the winner after the 1st of August, which is the deadline. So please do subscribe, because we've got amazing videos anyway. Even if you don't win, you're going to love our content. But you might win, because I don't think 20 people have entered yet, so... And don't forget, guys, if hair loss is something that's happening in your life right now, then I am here for you. My brand, It Really Works Vitamins, have been featured in Forbes as the best nutrition innovation 2019 and 18. We've also been in Shortlist Magazine as the best hair regrowth product for men, but we are not just suitable for men, we're also suitable for men and women, and here is our brand new packaging. Ta-da! We offer global shipping and get 15% off your first order with coupon code YouTube15. If you don't love your results, you get a full refund within 90 days with no questions asked. We offer global shipping. Guys, check us out at itreallyworksvitamins.com. Have a peruse, enjoy the website, enjoy our reviews, our before and afters, and please do check out the blogs, because I love updating the blogs. As you can tell, I'm really enthusiastic about hair care and hair loss and everything. Yeah, check us out and get global shipping. Keep us posted with your results at It Really Works Vitamins on Instagram. And I really hope you have enjoyed this video. Do give us feedback. Do you have any questions? Do you have any things I've missed out? If you have any top ideas on new videos that you'd like us to create, just send us a message below, comment below, hit us up on Instagram. I'm here for you guys. This is my passion. I love doing it, and I'm really enjoying running this YouTube channel. It's a dream come true. I'm loving it, loving it, loving it. So I'll see you guys very soon. Have a fantastic evening, day, afternoon, wherever you are. Take good care of yourself and your mum and your dad and everyone you love. And don't forget, guys, we have 28-day supplies of It Really Works vitamins to give away. We've got 20 of these. I have to double check, but not yet 20 people have entered, so you've got a good chance of winning. All you've got to do to win your very own supply of It Really Works vitamins is subscribe and comment on any of our videos. Why would you like to try out our product? We ship worldwide. You're currently in Australia, New Zealand, Canada, Texas. Don't worry, because we are here for you guys. We deliver worldwide. The deadline is the 1st of August 2020. I'm gonna love you and leave you guys. Have a fantastic day wherever you are, and see you very soon. It's gonna be a really, really good one, the next one. So subscribe, hit the bell so you don't miss on any other videos. Blah, blah, blah.